In this video I'm going to show you how you can blend two video in Capcut. So let's get started. First open Capcut and then create a new project. Now go to the import, select the video, open. Now second one, select first one. Now go to the videos and go to the mask. Now select horizontal and then rotate minus 90 degree. Now go to the feather and make it 100%. Now let's play. And there you go. This is how you can blend two video in Capcut. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.